So when you connect the DJI to my Mac, for example, it does seem to disconnect quite easily. Yeah, but it's all kind of back on screen. And look, it's disconnected now, untitled. It's being disconnected, so and it's now reconnected. Very strange. So I would say you probably want to get the microsd card out and do it that way with a SD card reader like this one here. That. Not that you can probably hear me because there's loads of wind noise. So this is a test of the wind noise. I'm just going to be walking around a little bit, as you can see behind me.